In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in Aircash. First, you will need to load up the application. Once you load up the application, make sure you sign in using your PIN or your Face ID. Now you have a few different options of depositing money. From the home screen, as long as you have verified your identity, you will see an option called Add Money or Top Up. Once you select it, you will see different deposit options such as cash deposit, bank card, bank transfer, or Aircash voucher. If you click on cash deposit, you will need to go to one of those available Aircash locations. So the location which is going to be closest to you. If you go there, you can deposit money in cash. And if you choose a bank card deposit, then it is very simple. You will just type out your card details. You will select the amount which you want to deposit into your account, and then you will confirm the payment from within your bank app. If you chose cash deposit, it is going to give you a QR code which the cashier will scan, and then you will have to pay them in cash. And once you hand them over the cash, it is going to be added to your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.